Hi everyone, my name is Bobby Rogers and welcome to the new Pluralsight course, Running the Business of Information Security. I'm a cybersecurity analyst and I work as a contractor securing information systems and data for the U.S. government, specializing in cyber risk management. The information security function is a key enabling process for business. Without modern information security, most modern businesses will fail. However, most people don't realize this, but it's also a business process itself that must be carefully managed. Unfortunately, many managers don't always understand how to manage the business aspects of the security function well enough to make it an effective business process. That's why we produced this course that covers how to view and employ information security as a business enabler that must be carefully managed. We're going to discuss and demonstrate the key concepts you need to effectively manage security as a business function. Some of the major topics that we will cover include integrating security into business functions, obtaining and managing the security budget, developing business cases for security investments, and managing budgets that change as risk changes. By the end of this course, you'll understand how to manage the security program's budget and resources to maximize supporting business processes as well as the organization's functions, mission, and strategy. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic security management concepts as well as security functions and processes. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about the business of security with the Running the Business of Information Security course from Pluralsight.